Wow, tignan nyo yung rocket guys sa likod. Hey guys, ito pala yung Mars rover. I think Filipino ang isa nag-ano dito, di ba? Ito ba yung Filipino ang nag-design nito? Guys, ito yata yung Filipino ang isa nag-design nito guys. If I'm not mistaken. Guys, ito yung Mars Rover Vehicle Navigator. Tignan nyo guys, ang laki pala niya. Akala ko maliit lang siya. Oh. Tignan nyo ang gulong niya guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. NASA.
Rose and Legend.
Yeah, we could go through there while we wait.
We didn't do that.
Oh, look at this.
Not funded by taxpayers' dollar. Who did this? Elon Musk?
Consumer of the
He
world.
didn't pay for it. Don't worry. Nobody paid for it.
Yeah, so nakita nyo na guys, ito yung Mars rovers na kumuha ng mga data doon sa Mars. Amazing.
Hindi ito siya funded ng taxpayers' dollar. So private siya.
Private ang nag-donate nito guys. Parang si Good Karma Pinoy Giver.
Yeah.
Ang mga robot-robots. Okay, 1, 2, smile. Wow. Tignan nyo guys. Nandun yung rocket guys. Guys, oh. Oh, shopping na yan guys. Shopping. So ngayon, dala-dala namin kayo. Makikita nyo lahat ang ating mga rocket sa mundo. So guys, punta na naman tayo dito guys. Magtutur ba tayo? Ha? Oh! Maingay yung mga birds guys. Sasakay na naman tayo sa bus tour. Guys, nagpa-picture tayo doon. Meron siyang kunting bayan. Siyempre, babayaran natin yun guys. So, ngayon, sasakay tayo sa my bus. We're going for a little tour. Right, guys. So, tayo ngayon doon. Okay, alright. Good afternoon. Up again.
Is tall. The reason I bring that to your attention is simply perspective. You gotta realize these are all pretty big buildings here. They don't look like it, because BAB is simply so much larger. Look to the right real quick, you will see a nice view of 39A out there. This is a little better view of it than we're going to see in a moment. 39A is where all 12 men that walked on the moon. That's where they launched. Like I said, we'll talk about it in a moment. This view is nice because you get to see the 400-foot tall tower, which is the one on the right. That is for SpaceX's Starship. If you're a SpaceX fan, you know what I'm talking about. They built a really big rocket in Texas called Starship for testing it. When it's ready for the prime time, that's going to be one of the launch pads out there right out on the ocean. Straight ahead of us is a very large building. It was built for the shuttle program. It's got Euro on it. On the front left, you look right, you'll see it. That's got a picture of Boeing Starliner. That's where they built it right there. But look closely at the building. You'll notice the door on the bottom.
And I wanted to be like them. They had courage, imagination, and no problem ever stood in their way for long. You know, in the end, when we actually did send men into space, it turned out that those were exactly the qualities it took. I'm John Hudson. This is Pad 39 of the Kennedy Space Center. I was a launch controller here when from this very spot, man took off to fly to the moon. It was a journey that began 12 years before that rocket ever left the ground. And it started on the other side of the world. Back then, we were one of two superpowers that always seemed to be on the edge of a terrible war. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched the first ever man-made satellite into Earth orbit. They called it Sputnik, which means traveling companion. And in a world where peace hung in a delicate balance, it seemed to create a dangerous advantage. Every ham radio operator in America could hear it beeping. People were afraid. Were the Soviets looking down on us? Watching us? If they could make a satellite pass over our cities, could they do the same with a bomb? Our own space program kicked into high gear, and less than 2 months later, we were ready to launch our own satellite. Apollo 1 for a plugs-out test, a full-scale dress rehearsal for the actual launch. Suddenly it happened. There was a fire in the capsule. 3 men whose lives had been in our hands were lost.
Surely the opening vistas of space promise high costs and hardships, as well as high reward. But this country of the United States was not built by those who waited and rested and wish to look behind them.
After Apollo 1, some thought we'd failed, and that the moon was out of our reach. But we owed it to those men, to learn from their sacrifice, and to carry... Before the launch of Apollo 8, right here, where it actually happened.
So guys, ito yung actual nila na operation.
Mankind is about to leave his planet behind and journey to another.
Launch ng kanila.
It is one of those rare moments when history is not being made, destiny is being embraced.
Mga console. This is the command station.
This is launch control, T-minus 3 minutes and counting. We've completed our communications checks with the Apollo 8 astronauts in the cabin, and the communications are
Ganito sila lahat ng guys. Mga 1969, mga ganyan na taon guys.
During this period, and once we do get the firing command, the various tanks within the 3 stages of the Saturn V launch vehicle begin to pressurize. We have firing command. The firing command is in. We are now on the automatic sequence. T-minus 2 minutes, 20 seconds.
Amazing masyado guys.
Our status 4 indicates that all aspects are ready. Instrument spacecraft ready. Final check of the emergency detection system. That radio light also on. First stage preparations are completed.
All systems are A-OK. We're on. Waiting on the cockpit. Standby motor. Okay, you're on. All systems go.
1 minute 45 seconds and counting. The first stage liquid oxygen tank has been pressurized and the pressure is still building up. Coming up in 90 seconds, Mark T-minus 90 seconds and counting. The Apollo 8 crew standing by, spacecraft commander Frank Borman, Jim Lovell, Bill Anders. We now report that the liquid hydrogen tank in the third stage is pressurized. 1 minute 15 seconds. All third stage propellants pressurized at this time as we come up on the 60-second mark on a flight to the moon. T-minus 60 seconds and counting. The vehicle now is completely pressurized. We're coming up on a power transfer shortly. We have the power transfer. We're now on the flight batteries within the launch vehicle. Final reports coming from Frank Borman at this time. Final look at the switch list board of the spacecraft. 20 seconds, all aspects. We are still low at this time. T-minus 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. The engines are on. 4, 3.
Guys, tingnan nyo ang rocket booster guys. Holy smoke, ang laki. Ang laki ng rocket. Guys, sobrang laki. Wow. Ito yung Apollo. Ito yung Apollo guys. Ang laki ng rocket guys, grabe. Wow. Ang laki. Hello. So, ito yung Apollo. Sobrang laki niya, guys.
Masunog man ang akong ilong.
Grabe ang laki yun. Ito ang rocket na Apollo. Ha? Ang laki. Sobrang laki.
Amazing.
Come on, let's go there. Nakit ka dun. Oh, guys, ito ang sa loob niya, guys.
Kasya tayo dyan.
I'm the alien. Alien.
Alien summer.
I'm alien.
Summer,
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dito di maganda magpa-picture. Come here.
Grabe, guys.
Here, ganyan. The spaceship. Like here, like that. Come here.
So the mission was changed. They heard that the Russians were going to put a man around the moon in the late fall of 1968. And so we thought,
Guys, daan tayo dito, guys.
Oh my God.
Tignan nyo yung engine niya, guys. Wow.
Pinaka-barbecue ang malutuan eh.
Hindi lang barbecue, wala ka makita pagkahuman.
Nawala, disappear ang barbecue.
Tignan nyo, guys, grabe.
Mga pinaka-hotdog. Ang malutuan ni Dave.
Wala kang makita nga hotdog.
Wala kayo mabili?
Wala. Grabe. Wow, so ito yung capsule, guys. I mean, ito yung rocket niya. Okay.
USA.
This is USA. Ang laki niya pala. Wow. So imagine nyo yung rocket na to, guys.
Ang fuel na ginagamit niya.
Oh. Grabe. Ang laki. Guys, ito ang rocket ng Pilipinas in the making. Wow, look at this.
Ayan yung nag-ikot sa Earth.
So ito, guys, ito yung booster part, I think. And then, no, this is a separate rocket. Yeah. So big.
Okay.
So another rocket ito, guys. Oh, actually ito yun siya. So dalawang module. Ito yung booster, guys. And then there's another booster. Ito yung pag nag-separate na yung ito yung magpupush na rin sa separation niya. Ito na yung bali engine niya sa taas. Okay? So dalawa yan pag lift off, and then ito naman yung separation, after the separation ng booster. Wow. So ganito ito, guys. Itong maliit na to parang pinipicture lang nila. So ito na yung capsule ng ayan yung capsule ng mga astronaut nandun. Okay. So bali tatlong module, booster, tsaka ito, at saka meron isa dito. Yes.
Si 12 American to step onto the moon.
So guys, ito naman yung 12 American
to step on the moon.
to step on the moon.
Dr. Harrison Hagen Smith.
Siya ay si Dr. Harrison Hagen Smith. Okay? Pero nauna yung ating wakwak dito, guys.
Kuyawa sa moon, 4.6 billion years old. Kuyawa niya.
Grabe, ang laki pala nito siya. Kaya pala malaki yan siya kasi nakapasok yan. Nakapasok.
Para ma-push niya
Oo.
out of the earth.
So, bali tatlong module yung kanilang ginawa.
Can you imagine?
Yeah. And then nandun na yung capsule doon sa ano.
Ano yun ang capsule?
Yung capsule ng mga astronaut. So ngayon iba ng technology guys. Oh, mayroon silang moon rock.
Have faith.
Gutom ka?
Oh.
Anong gusto mong kainin dyan?
Okay, quesadilla sila di. Kain muna tayo.
Yeah, kasi delia tayo.
Kunin mo muna yan.
Guys, grabe.
Ayan yung ano.
Ayan yung nakapasok dyan. Yan o, dyan. Yan guys, yung ano na yan, dito yan siya nakapasok. Okay? Dito na area. Okay?
Oh, tapos ito siya.
Ah?
Cute lagi ito. Ito yung sasakyan ni Summer.
So ito na yung ano, ito na yung nandyan. Okay? Ito, dito yan siya nakalagay. Okay? So rocket, another rocket, another rocket. Tapos dito yung capsule ng ano mga astronaut.
Module, nagibabaan nila.
Yeah.
So yung mga na kayo mo.
So ito guys, yung actual na ano.
Man on the moon.
Ano to actual na?
Na ano, lunar, ayun o, lunar module.
Yeah, yan siyang nakapasok dyan. Kasi hindi mo man pwedeng ipasok. Hindi mo naman pwedeng ipasok yan doon sa ano kasi puro rocket yan dyan eh. So yan yun yung actual guys. Iwan ko paano nila binaba yan dito. Baka lalamove ang ginamit nila siguro. So ito yung mga astronaut. Wow, ang ganda.
Dito tayo. Huwag ka ano ng kamay para makita.
So imagine guys, kung wala to sila, wala tayong mga ano ngayon, gadgets.
Tapos sabihin nila fake daw. Pero hindi oy totoo, maraming taong nangkirap niya.
So respeto po sa kanila nang dahil sa kanya na open tayo sa ano.
Mas ano pa daw ang technology ng iPhone natin kaysa sa technology na
Yes, correct po 'yon. Yung technology natin ngayon na iPhone, mas grabe pa, mas high-tech pa yung
technology na yan. So powerful yun ang phone natin. Thank you sa kanila.
Thank you po sa kanila. Kaya sila
ang mga
Bill Gates, sila Steve Jobs, si Elon Musk, yan ang opening natin sa ano Galaxy Universe. So tingnan nyo guys, amazing, di ba? So yan yung module na yan. Nandiyan sa may loob ng last na module nila. Okay? So yan dyan siya nakalagay. So amazing paano nila binalik ito. So Old Glory hosted by First Moon Men. Grabe guys, no? Inikot natin ito. Yan. Galing. It's amazing. Ngayon, nakita nyo na. So, yan guys, nakapasok. Oh, tignan mo yan. May mga ano sila. Oh, kita mo yung mga
satellite?
Maliliit na ano. Hindi yung mga maliliit na parang tambutso. Yan yung nagko-control pag nasa zero gravity na sila. So, mag-release sila ng ano, ng konting oxygen or fire para makontrol nila yung pagdocking nila sa ano. That's the one. Oops.
Gusto mo dito magkain o sa iba?
Ewan ko. So guys, nakita nyo na. Ayan ang kabuuan ng dulo ng rocket. Ayun.
Ay, Didi, meron yung Apollo 1 o yung... Ay, Didi, yung kanilang ano, parang ambulansya noon.
Wow, tingnan natin. Halikahan. Halika. So ito yung ambulansya nila noon guys, unang panahon.
Ay, ambulansya yung mag-deliver sa astronaut.
Ito yung sasakyan na mag-deliver. Astrovan. Ewan ko bakit madilim pero so ito yung sinasakyan nila back in 1969. So ang tinatawag nila na Astrovan. Wow, diyan sila nakapasok.
Wow, dito sila mag-upo bago sila ihatid sila doon.
Wow! See, tingnan nyo. Ang galing. Hindi tayo pwedeng pumasok kasi nakalimutan ko yung susi.
Ito yung Apollo 1 yung nagputok, di ba? Na hindi naging successful.
Ito yung mga hero natin, guys.
A rough road leads to the stars.
Ito yung
so true in life.
Yep.
Kailangan mapaghirapan mo muna.
Pasok tayo dito.
Ito yun sila, mga gamit nila. God bless them. Ang Apollo 1.
Yung hatches door nila, yawa talagang sulit. Ito yung parang pwede ka mag-enter, guys, sa loob bago ka papasok sa sa loob ng capsule nila.
Ito yung enter nila.
Oh my gosh, Logan! Logan!
So ito yung kanilang dadaanan bago sa may rocket sa papasok sa kanilang Wow, ayan silang tatlo. So ganyan pala ang sakay nila, naka-upward pala sila.
Upward, so sa training, ana, no? Dili pwede mga hilo-hilo, ana.
Yup, kaya tingnan nyo yung support niya sa kanilang, ang headrest nila talagang nakalock. Kasi so yung G-force.
That's very nice. Ilagay mo dadani yan. Basahin mo. If the rocket will free man from his remaining chains, the chains of gravity, which still tie him to this planet, it will open to him the gates of heaven. That's nice. Very, very meaningful.
By Werner
von Braun.
Okay, so padilim lang padilim, guys. Let's go.
We come the wrong way.
All right.
Beginning the maneuvers, but should place it on the surface of the moon.
The stone.
Huh? That's it.
Sanitize lang. Lunar sample. You're an alien now.
You move the stick.
Okay. Tingnan natin to. Wow. So guys, ito yung loob nila. Ito yung mga console nila unang panahon pa. Tingnan nyo yung joystick nila,
Hindi ka pala pwede na takot ka sa close na space, no? Kasi masikip man masyado.
Wala tayong magagawa dyan. Hindi ko na yung problema. At kung magiging problema yan, yan talaga yan.
Kain na lang tayo konti para makapunta tayo sa iyo.
Wow, amazing, guys, no? Yung joystick nila, So, ilang taong isa lang, dalawa, tatlo.
So, sikip masyado.
So, kung nakatae ka dyan, alam mo na, lulutang-lutang yan. Grabe. Amazing. It's USA. Alright, guys. Maghanap tayo ng parang kumakalam na yung mga bituka ko. Grabe, amazing. Dito nagsimula ang technology. Kain muna tayo. Guys, kain muna.